Hi, CJ Wells, property manager. We're back here with Gen3 Roofing, and we're going to be taking a look at the gutters and especially the downspouts and the kickouts. And here's Kyle again from Gen3 Roofing.
How you doing? Kyle with Gen3 Roofing again. Just looking at the downspouts. It's pretty simple. It's a 2x3 downspout. This is aluminum. These are steel gutters with aluminum downspouts, which isn't a big deal, but other than they're light, and whoever was putting them on probably likes working with aluminum better than steel. These are concrete kickouts.
And how can you tell that?
I can tell by the touch and how light it is. This is very dense and solid. This is, you can almost hear like it. I've been doing it long enough that I just can tell that this is aluminum. So elbows, a lot of times what you'll see in a kickout, this is a concrete kickout. You could probably get these from Rio Grande. There's pretty expensive, bulky. They block some of the yard. What we typically install on a lot of our properties are actually kickouts that fold up and get out of the way, so you can mow your lawn and do everything that you want to do. Sometimes a kickout isn't the best way. Sometimes it's going to be a underground French drain, but in here this works fine. Like I said, I would have probably installed a kickout with the downspout that you could fold up and get out of the way, but it is what it is here. These are solid.
So Kyle, we're glad you wore your nifty shoes today.
That's
because
right.
we're catching that on camera. Now, as a property manager, what we have found is tenants usually break off those fold up, as well as the lawn maintenance people.
Sure.
And those things don't last very long. So just as a precaution and to make sure that the water is carried away from the foundation, so that there's no pooling in the crawl space, depending on the property, we recommend that to keep the integrity of the property. So that's another fun thing we find with properties and maintenance, lawn maintenance, and with tenants. So what are some of your thoughts around that, Kyle?
Honestly, a French drain might work better. Just digging the hole, trenching it out. You know, you can get it out halfway through the yard. And that way water's getting safely away from the house, and you're still able to, you know, do the lawn care that you guys want to do, mow and edge and do all that stuff without having this concrete block in there. This is definitely a cheaper alternative to that, so this might be the option for you guys, and it's working out, so that's great. But yeah, I mean, you just got to live with it in the middle of the yard.
So it's more of a problem for the lawn maintenance people?
Yeah, I mean, and for you, I mean, typically this is a landscape that people care about, and you know, they don't want to have a big old concrete block, you know, extended into the grass. But as a rental property, it's probably not that big of a deal. But it probably look nicer if it was just French drained and out here. If the kickouts were getting destroyed, then that's, you know, that's an alternative.
Okay. All right. Excellent thought and evaluation. This is CJ Wells, property manager, and we'll be chatting about some other pieces of the whole roofing system. Thanks. Bye.